What's up, you guys? So I'm gonna do a quick protective style for my daughter, and I'm gonna be using Kimma braid hair in Ocean Wave, and it's the 14-inch pack. So I braided her natural hair up, and I kind of gave it the look as if she had feed-in braids, but she really doesn't. And then the access ponytail, I tucked it in. So I'm going to be taking this hair and I'm going to be splitting it into two sections. One section should be about maybe 25% of the hair, and then the rest is what you will use to create the ponytail. So I'm going to be taking the hair next, and I'm just going to start latch hooking the hair onto the ball of the ponytail. So make sure that your ball is completely tucked in so it doesn't come undone or anything. So what I did was very simple. I just proceeded to add hair throughout the whole ball. I used the rubber band method. For those of you who don't know what the rubber band method is, it's basically when you loop the hair in and then pull it through, but as you're pulling it through, you're wrapping the loop around the same way you would wrap a rubber band around a ponytail. And I just continued to repeat this process until I filled up her whole ponytail. Once you are done installing the ponytail, you will take the rest of the hair that you put to the side, and then you will take it and twist it up. You can twist it, you can braid it, whichever one you want to do. So this is her ponytail all complete. If you want to do it on your teens, or shoot, if you want to do it on yourself, because I know I'll wear it. But if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up just to let me know that you guys are watching and that you look forward to what I have to present next. You guys go ahead and follow me on my other social media accounts, Instagram under TDay6, and also Snapchat under the real TDay6, and I also have two Facebook pages, one under TDay6 and the second one under TDay Tiffany. So go ahead and follow me and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.